Hi, my name is Craig van der Heijden. I'm the Miccosukee Fish and Wildlife Director. I manage all the wildlife on the reservation, from the fish to the panther and the black bear, and all the habitat and all the animals in between.
Hello, I'm Nicholas Gonzalez. I'm a wildlife biologist for the Miccosukee Fish and Wildlife Department.
Yeah, I think it's prettier. It's pretty in person. Yeah.
Today we're doing the removal of the Swamp Invaders Fishing Tournament, and this is the 4th year that we've been doing it.
The purpose of this tournament is to remove exotics from freshwater bodies throughout the Everglades that would impact the Miccosukee Reservation lands.
So we thought this was a good way to educate the public on the impacts that they are having to the ecosystem.
The important thing is education and community outreach. So we want to finally identify what are the exotics and the harm that they're doing, and encourage people to go with that knowledge and remove them from our bodies of water here in South Florida. The reason exotics need to be removed from the habitat is because they're out competing for resources in the form of food and also habitat, in which case they could outcompete the natives, and they also do eat the natives.
People dump their fish tanks out into the Everglades or into canal systems and create a new problem. There's probably between 40 and 60 invasive fish that we have and have to deal with, and so that has large impacts on the whole ecosystem.